Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are good. In winters, your everything needs a cover. Your head needs a cap, your hands need a gloves and coats and everything, because this is our winter season. So your skin becomes a dry, very patchy. So for this reason, I am going to share with you a very dehydrating mask that gives your skin a very much deep hydration, deep cleanse and an instant glow to your face. So let's get started that video. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, the red button, and press the bell icon. For this you need a yogurt, 1 tablespoon, and then I'm going to add a coffee powder, half teaspoon. Next I'm going to add the turmeric, pinch of turmeric. The next I'm going to add honey, half teaspoon. So mix this all together and apply on your face. Good mix. So this mask is ready. Let's apply this on your clean, dry face. Leave it, then we will massage after 20 minutes and wash with the cold water. The leftover I apply on my hands as well, because we need to care the hands as we care our face. So I apply on my hands. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's massage this and wash it with the water. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes. So this is all about today's video. I hope you like the video. Do try this mask and let me know in the comment section your results, and stay tuned until the next one.